Hello and what's up YouTube? This is your Metro Detroit Rail Fanner back here again with another video. This time I would like to show you every single railroad crossing signal that absorbs in Plymouth, Michigan, my hometown. This is, first off, starting with, is the Holbrook signal. The signal that is observing onto Holbrook. Currently, this signal is the last remaining General Signals Type 1 E-bell before, like, this is currently the last remaining General Signals Type 1 electronic bell, the last remaining in Plymouth. So, the old lights were replaced in like the gray colors, like just kidding. Our next stop of the journey takes us right over here onto North Mill Street. And the North Mill Street crossing signal, the old version that had been around since like the 1990s, unfortunately is no longer included. Like the General Signals Type 1 E-bell and older style LED lights, like it could be shown on your screen right now. This is what it used to look like, but now you got this. Since the summer of 2018, and in the old version, it like had been first in signs of getting worn out in like 2013 or 2014 or 15 or so. Probably 2014, it started signs of getting worn out, and the gray color was starting to rub off. And telling you about the end of the old version's life, exactly how it ended. That was unexpected right there, but we got it dinging. You could actually hear the last remaining General Signals Type 1 E-bell in the background, which is very strange, alright? So what train you got here? Well, the old version of the North Mill Street crossing signal, it like got worn out even more in like 2016 and 2017, and then it eventually reached the end of its life in June 2018 when it got disassembled. Rest in peace. And that here is a train I'm talking about, right over there. Here is the train I was talking to you about, and then we'll walk into Starkweather. When I first heard the signal ding, it suddenly had scared the complete crap out of me. What is this even doing here? It's like I'm following the train where it's going. Ugh. Oh no, that place getting torn up. Or just, is it doing even repaint again since 2019? Alright, we have the Starkweather crossing intersection next up. All of a sudden, an unexpected train came for me. Oh, I actually knew the light was green. It kind of looks like it's slow moving. Yeah, very slow moving. That it might be a sign that it may stop. That is a General Signals Type 2 electronic bell. Well, yeah, it's kind of slow moving. Yep. Anyways, next intersection, I'll be right there. And next up, we've got the signal at Farmer. That has been up for a very long time, since like the end of 2010 or so. And here is Farmer crossing intersection. So here it is. You can see the gray color starting to rub off the like those lights, like it's really like starting to rub off since it's like been up since like the beginning of the 2010s decade. Yeah, it's like yeah, it's been up for many years. Like, this is what happens when lights stay, like, when they stay like this for, like, some years. Some random amount of years. And that I think it needs a replacement. So, anyways, next intersection. And just to kick off for this intersection is the main my filming location for my trains. The intersection on Main Street, right by Bode's Corned Beef House. This is where I film those trains almost all the time. And now most of the time, since we just filmed one on North Mill Street, and this is where I watch my trains. That is the spot the exact spot where I watch those train cars go by. Yeah, just wanted to let you know that's where I watch trains. That's where I go to in this type of purpose. And you can see Farmer once again. The train had already finished from North Mill. And then from Starkweather. Usually a train I would like it to come from is like, and it goes like in particular order, like it goes like European license plate is on it, and then an American license plate. That's silly. Sometimes I see these, but not too often. But the direction it goes like shown on your screen, it goes like from first onto Holbrook, and then onto North Mill, and then onto Starkweather, and then onto Farmer, and then onto right here on Main Street, where it goes by past me, and then onto Ann Arbor Trail, and then onto Lily. Like the train I consider that I want to go past by me the most is heard on audio right here. So, you know, probably why, because if you were curious why I want that horn to be most likely for me to go by me, mostly is because I consider that horn part of my childhood. It is very nostalgic. Like, it brings back some good memories. When I was around 4 years old through 5 through 6, and it continues to this present day. And after all those years, when it had been really known for going past through Plymouth. Just when I was a little kid, even when I was living here in the city limit, which I planned on moving back into the city limit, like I point out, Daisy Square left because it's my planned future home. And like I had seen, and my mom was thinking, longest train ever. And then it was like, when, you know, those nostalgic trains videos, like trains captured by rail fanners when I was just a kid. It was like these roads, like they were absolutely horrible. And I didn't even point those out by then. But like these roads were here in Plymouth. Those roads are really awful. That's why Gretchen Whitmer, my home state's governor, Governor Gretchen Whitmer, wants to fix the damn roads. And this road look was probably all Rick Snyder's fault. Yeah, he was the governor when I was like from 2011 to the beginning of 2019. Like all those that made it all. This was the bumpy style road thanks to former Governor Rick Snyder, Republican. My dad thinks he is whiny. I do have to agree with him that Rick is also a type of loony here in Michigan. Monarch butterfly. So, and just like my Michigan parody, Miss Rabbit and Dank memes, portraying Secret Agent Dank memes, the fictional attorney here in the city of Plymouth. fictional attorney of the city of Plymouth. Yeah, Secret Agent Dank means the fictional attorney of here in the city of Plymouth. Democratic. And wants to stop Trump's eating the pets claims and other false claims that he had been making over the years. Well, don't be offended, anyone who supports Donald Trump. But I am a Governor Gretchen Whitmer supporter, so don't knock me down. So, and over off in the distance, but I won't show on camera to you guys, but I will just point to you off in the distance. Over there is the crossing to Ann Arbor Trail, and then finally north, then you go on to Lily. And when the light's green, I expect like a good train, like a long train with lots of cars. Like something that I would approve. I like Pacer Stat Train containers, very nostalgic. Well, I gotta go. Stay tuned for more of Shimmer and Shine's Zeta's sorcery and new stuff in between. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys have not already. And I'll see you guys later in the next video. Stay safe, stay well, and have a great day. See you later.